Um, I am, certifying hair and skin to be a hair and skin consultant. So yeah, I mean, it's very important to have an association that encourages you to do what you really like, and because you don't get that in office for sure, because you're so bound to do one set of work and deliver accordingly. So this is where I found myself doing something creative and different. So I also run my own Instagram page where my handle has a lot of activities related to health, to hair, to skin, to workouts, multiple things. But yeah, so I enjoy myself being there, and I should be thankful and grateful because PIM and then Growth Express, we also have workout communities like Sampurna Health and Workout to Burnout. There are multiple fields where you get 100% of yourself. So that's how we started. And yeah, with work from home, definitely we all have this one issue of putting on weight, because there is no, we used to do that office rounds, right, after lunch, after a break. All that was not possible, sit throughout for like 8 hours, 10 hours, and obviously office was more demanding once work from home started. So yeah, we put on weight. This is one term that I don't like. Everything increases, I don't mind. Weight increases is a problem. So yeah, and about almost a month back, I mean, it was inspiring because we met this community, I mean, PIM community, after a very long time. And this community had, when we saw people change so much, we thought, okay, we took an inspiration and we started, concentrating on what we need to do. We followed a diet chart. We have someone who will personally guide us from this community. And, he or she will stand by you, help you out to whatever your goal is, till whatever your date is. And that's how we started. So in a span of about 3 to 4 weeks, holistically, we lost about 6.5 kilos together. 6.5 to 7 kilos. It's a long journey. It's not like it's going to get over here. But then, yeah, it's nice to say, I mean, a dress which was like 3 years old fits me now. I'm so happy. So yes, that's a journey that I would give credits to this community, to this association, because here you get, I mean, personal development, health, and everything positive here, and there's no space or room for negativity. So yeah, that's pretty much my complete introduction. So, yes, thank you, Kiran, and happy Diwali to all of you.
Thank you so much, both of you. And I know this for Karthik, it is quite new, the health wala part, but I'm really inspired the way Karthik has been doing consistently. And I know how difficult it is. Things which maybe you don't like, you have to do because you need to do it. And it's the right thing to do. And then you have to persist. And if you do it, then the self-confidence and the internal satisfaction is tremendous. I think that reflects your professional life, your growth. It actually affects in all aspects of it. So kudos to Karthik. In fact, I personally itself, I'm not proud to say, but I am not a person who get excited about running or exercise, going gymming. But I love sports a lot. So I make sure that I play my sport every single day, or maybe weekly 3 or 4 times, and I play cricket a lot or badminton a lot. So making a health as an outcome. But yeah, gymming and something, maybe individually it is very difficult for me, but yeah, maybe if company is there, then that peer inspiration helps to do something very regularly. So that's, at least the health space is something very inspirational, where Chana leads her own community, and something adding addition of values to people's lives is very enormous. And yeah, I think people who don't know me, I'm Kiran here. I'm alumni of IIT Kharagpur, and started Growth Express almost a year back, but started with PIM 2 years back with Vijay, and the vision of impacting 1 million people, effective communication and life skills. And that is how we got started. We realized people need platform to practice learnings. People need a community to get inspired. The good part is that when you don't know people, maybe you don't get inspired, because you might see in YouTube or in multiple other platforms कि अच्छा वो बंदा कर ले रहा है because उसके पास ये होगा वो होगा. We can give a number of excuses because we don't associate, we don't know the person personally. But अगर हमारे personal circle में अगर कोई inspire होकर कोई अच्छा काम करता है, it could be your friend circle also, you have no excuse. आपको लगता है ये बंदा बचपन में हम खेलते थे साथ में, मोटा था, जो भी था, डम वो था, अब जाके क्या कर दिया, क्या उखाड़ लिया, कैसे, how could you do that? and that questions your mind ki if that person can do it, I'm somebody here, I can do also. The idea of building a community is that community banana and being regular to the community is to create that bonding such that agar koi banda regularly associate karta hai in a growth platform, you get inspired from any one of you. It doesn't matter to me or Rohit or Karthik or Apurva. Arsh is a very young chap. So once you see people from multiple background, you know them personally. Ki, "Acha, this person comes from this background. Actually, my background is much better." You might think in your own head, but that person, when you see today, after 1-2 months, the way the person talks, the conviction in his voice, and the success is getting in his life through the mindset development, is that is where the inspiration comes. So it'll never happen temporary. So community is the key, to be really honest. Association is the key, community is the key, where you attract quality people. If you are growing, you attract much more quality people than you. And the more you grow, the more better people you attract. And the more better people you attract, success is just an outcome for you. So that's the whole vision of it, building a community, surviving, sustaining, and multiplying as well. So not only me, I would love when people start their own community. They inspire people. They in fact influence other quality people around you, cast the vision, and then do something, serve people in any other form, product or services as well. So that's about us. In fact, the Growth Express community itself was built on this approach that Vijay has started Peak Impact Mentorship as a community, and Vijay was telling to make it, and I can influence people of my age and maybe 10, 15 years, 15 years plus experience. I think you can inspire the young generation. Your community can inspire all the young people of, let's say, less than 5 years or 5 to 10 years experience, or 10 to 15 maybe closely. And these people will connect to our life more. And people who connect with us, we can influence much better and create a growth atmosphere. So that's the whole idea, is to create that young movement of growth. And whatever story you have, maybe you can inspire, and whatever collaboration we could do to help each other out, and well and good. So that's the whole story about us. And yeah, as Karthik said, it is 93rd, 94th. I don't think that we have taken a 1 week break, and that's really beautiful. So I think the system is taking care of itself. So thank you. Maybe over to you, Rohit. You can also share your vision, your passion, what I've been doing up to.
Hi everyone, myself Rohit, and first of all, happy Diwali, and congratulations that you have made it today here, because it's been festival time, and it is really encouraging to me to see that you people have taken time for this activity. That shows that you are really interested in the growth, right? At least you have something in your mind that says that I need to invest my time out of this personal time, festive time, to invest myself. So that's really great. My thumbs up to you, all of you, that you have made it here. Let me talk about myself. I am alumni of NIT Bhopal, 2015 batch pass out, and I've been working for IT industry for almost 6 years now. And I've been working for 2 major telecom operators, and I have learned so many things from top leaders, top managements, and other things. But one thing that I really like is that whatever I learned in those 5-4 years, because I joined Book Club or PIM last year, April, I think. So it's been more than a year now. Whatever I have learned in 4 years in my corporate life, I have learned much more in this Book Club and PIMs. Because the thing is that whatever I'm learning, I'm getting the opportunity to share that learning first. Second thing, I'm also getting the opportunity to apply that learning, because there is a growth atmosphere, as Karthik and Kiran has told, right? The way that we have created this atmosphere of like-minded people has encourages not only the one who is who knows a lot, but the one who are new. Like if you're new, you don't know things, you will automatically start to know things. You will automatically start to at least you will learn 1 or 2 books in a month. That will happen for sure. So this is happening with me, and because of this all, I am able to switch my company in a better package. I think almost 100% hike, and I have got so much clarity in my career, in my vision of whatever I'm having. Actually, I'm also having the similar vision, because since I joined Book Club, and I get to know that my passion is also similar to all of these guys, like Kiran, Karthik, Bhushan. There are so many people. So actually, my this quality is that I'm a very good teacher. I can explain things in a better way. I can inspire people. I can change the people's attitude. So basically, I am attitude coach, you can say. Right? So that's what I that's about me. And I'm really glad that we have got this atmosphere and we have got this learnings and we have got this opportunity to grow together. And I really believe that there is something called Mastermind Alliance. So if you are part of it, you will definitely grow. There is no other way. So that's about from my side. Thanks. Over to you, Kiran.
Amazing, Rohit. Really wonderful way of sharing your journey and good one or two key terms of what we have learned in the book club, and naturally when it comes and creates that influence. Amazing. Thank you so much, Rohit, for sharing your experience with us. You can go next. Who else is left? You can unmute. Shrikant, maybe you want to go next. I think Shrikant is also not so new.
Okay, so hey guys, my name is Shrikant and I'm from Hyderabad. And by profession, I'm a senior software engineer, and by passion, I have multiple titles. So I'm a karateka. I practice martial arts, and then I focus more on my, like Karthik was trying to weigh down. I'm trying to weigh up, bulk, and make cuts. So I go to gym to increase my muscles, and then I practice guitar. So as you can see, and as well I'm not a coach but like student mentor, so I mentor students on learning technologies like cloud computing and stuff. And I'm an avid book reader, obviously. If I'm part of this, we would end up being that. So I read a lot of books. That's pretty much about me. And talking about the book club, right? So once I joined this book club, I've been part of a lot of book clubs lately. Like, I've been part of an international book club, especially Kiran knows that. And I've been part of a book club which used to run at 2 a.m. in the morning. And this is the third one. But so far, as I've seen, this is the only book club that has run consistently. Everything else, right, they go down and in between they come back and people will be like, my kid is crying or I need to take my family or something will come up. But I've seen people being so consistent here. So this is like my anchor. So for the past 4 weeks, right? So I think past 3 weeks or so, I wasn't able to attend the book club because I was like spreading myself like anything with a lot of activities, pushing myself to a lot of things. So I mean, there have been tremendous results on each areas, and I've been already sharing them in WhatsApp, Instagram. People have been watching it. So basically, the thing is, I'll again hover back to this book club because it's like an anchor. So anytime I feel like I'm going down on my basic stuff or the utilities that I need to keep myself on, I'll again fall back on this book club. I'll join this, I'll share with people or listen to what people are sharing, gain some knowledge, and again go back and apply. So this is definitely helpful. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm very thankful to this awesome community, everyone who's present here, coming back and sharing, their learnings and how they've applied everything. Thank you so much.
Amazing, Shrikant. Hey, Shrikant, you should play some song, man. Guitar, you have already told. At least a 30-second song you should play if you can.
My guitar is gone. That's why it went there.
Nice. No worries. So if you can sing, you can also sing. Shrikant, if you sing and play.
No, definitely for safety of you guys, I wouldn't take this.
I know you sing good. Yeah, so good. Who else? Who else? Who's next? Soumya. Shiva, you want to go next? Shiva has an interesting story. You're on mute, Shiva.
Hello, everyone. This is Shiva here. I have totally 15 years of experience. I work for banking industries. I have joined book club in 2020 June. And before that, after completing my graduation, this one I never have touched the book. After coming to this book club community, at least once in a week or once in a this one, I'll read some more one or the other chapter that it will be helpful for me. And after joining this book club, my communication skill also got improved, and the communicating to different level of top management people. And before that, I was very nervous to speak to any of the top management bosses also. And now too, I can directly go to that anyone and I can speak to them. And if first of all, initial period, I was very worried. If I go to them, what they'll first, I was very worried and what they'll think. And I want to introduce myself to them. That now too, I'll go directly, excuse me, I'll ask them directly and I'll introduce them, and I'll speak politely with them and they'll also speak. And that's why my communication skill improved from this book club also, and lots of things, and how to handle the boss and how to follow the depending upon our colleagues and in the boss, and how to manage the gossips in the office, those things. And all. I have learned a lot of things from this book club. And if I miss one book club also, I'll think that I would have been missed something, and I'll at least I'll take the recordings or something, and the next week I'll join. That's where I am very passionate about this book club, to join every Thursday. Instead of having my hectic work also, during that time also I'll join. And if I am not speaking also, I'll join and I'll listen some of the topic. It will be a great inspiring to me. I've learned a lot from this one, and my communication skill also got improved. And now too, I'm planning to switch my company also, and I'm planning. And suddenly, on a sudden, what has happened? My ex company which I was working, HR called me. I've taken an offer from that company in 2019, and on a sudden, the HR called me. Shiva, you want to join? If you're willing to join, I'll give you an offer. And from that, I got a 30 to 35% offer this one also. That's why I'm growing from this book club also. That's it, Kiran, from my side.
Wow, man. Amazing, inspirational. In fact, people have seen from the last year, everyone, in fact, Sashi got 150% hike, Rohit 100%, Shiva also 30-40%. Everyone is going somewhere. I'm so happy. It's truly inspirational, man. You yourself will inspire each other. कोई अगर बैठा रहेगा कुछ करेगा भी नहीं, वो भी सोचेगा यार नहीं यार मुझे भी कुछ करना चाहिए. Let me also do something. Amazing.
Hey Shiva, nice to hear your story. Just wanted to add, you mentioned about handling bosses, right? That you're handling them, you are able to walk up to them and talk.
Yeah.
Just to say, man, this is a compliment. You look very tough kind of guy. Like, forget bosses, you can handle anyone. That's what it looks like. Like even on the street, if somebody does something, right, you can take care of any situation. That's what it looks like.
Thank you, Anchit.
He is in fact, Anchit, he is quite 6 feet tall. Shiva, I think you're 6 feet. No, 6 feet, well built. I've met Shiva. Like,
oh, nice.
Handle anything. Amazing, good, great. Anyone else want to share? Arsh, yeah, I don't know if your voice is doing good, but if you want, you can share. I think Arsh is one of the youngest folk.
So like
Sorry,
today
can I
little bit inside my mouth.
Okay, so Arsh, we'll give you some time. Soumya, you can go, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kiran, for this opportunity. And probably it will be by next December, it will be 1 year with PIM and the Growth Express community. 1 year I am in this community. So it really excites me, and I have learned a lot of things in life. I'm in this journey, and I'm actually the vision of effective communication skill. What Vijay has, I really appreciate that, and I'm like I want to take ahead in that way. So I have learned a lot actually. With this company. Yeah.
Really grateful. In fact, I also see that your daughter joins the book club also with you.
Yeah, my daughter joins, and today, thank God, I somehow impressed. I mean, convinced my husband also at least to say hi. You will know what I will be doing.
Good.
Okay. So somehow, yeah.
Too good. Great, Soumya. Thank you so much.
I wish all the best to everyone in this community, and happy learning.
Absolutely. Great. Awesome. So Apurva, Saundarya, if you're there, you can also go ahead in case you want to speak. If you're hearing by any chance, not sure. Saundarya is here.
Hi all, happy Diwali first of all. It's so good to see you all virtually. And the moment I read the text message that was shared by Kiran that, let's get the sweets all together and then taste it virtually, I was really amazed. How is that going to happen? And I did not want to miss the meeting. I was in another place and then I just took the train with my mother and I came to my aunt's house. So it was like, it was raining so heavily and, I just managed somehow to join the book club. And finally I'm here. So yeah, first of all, this whole book club is actually, it has got a different vibe and I absolutely love this. So what attracts me the most is the mindset of the people. So, it's the learnings are not just learned here, it is also applied. So basically to introduce myself, my name is Saundarya and I have done Masters in Microbiology from University of Mysore and I work as an analyst in biopharmaceutical industry called as Merck. So I joined Book Club in May and through one of my colleague called Sasi Sekhar Sadam, he's a Toastmaster and we met through Toastmasters platform and that's how I was introduced to this book club. What else? So what else should I share, Kiran?
So maybe you can mention, so I know you've been a very dedicated student and you have been part of effective communication workshop. You have also taken CIR. You've been part of our personal coaching as well. So you have actually took the maximum benefit out of the community. You squeezed all the good aspects from Vijay, from me, or from the book club itself as well. So why don't you maybe mention how this few tools had helped you to discover, or maybe in the process of clarifying your maybe thought process and maybe giving you strength, how did it help, all these tools which you have been pursuing? And I know it's not that free of cost, nothing is free of cost, of course. You have also invested good amount of money, and at your experience level, I know that salary what we make and junior experience level is not that great, not that high, right? We grow in the time, but still you chose to invest on yourself is a big step, and not everyone can do at your experience level. What are the thought process behind it, and what goes into your mind, and what did you learn out of it, or what are you getting out of it? We share 1 or 2 learnings or 3 learnings, so it will help all of us to see how we have added value to each other.
Absolutely. So I am actually someone who is very curious. So I just believe that the quality of life decides the quality of the death. So I know that I'm going to die someday, but I just wanted to have a peaceful death. So that's how I define my life as. So I was looking for something in my life that, where I can just get a hold of some strong platform where I can just explore and also identify or find myself in the path. So this book club, I used to see people sharing a lot of learnings on leadership, on financial aspects, many other stuff. So as a newbie to the career, one who is in the early professional years of life, I do not know much, so I haven't explored life. But through the events of life that has occurred in my past experiences, I know that I have to learn a lot. So the learnings will keep going on, and I have to, choose people. I have to be very careful about my life because I'm responsible for my life and I'm creating my life. So I joined book club, and then I just got to know that there is also something called as effective communication workshop. So I'm a part of a Toastmasters. I was a listener basically, but to the Toastmasters platform, I learned to communicate to people. Now, Vijay does this effective communication workshop. So I just wanted to know what is the difference between the Toastmasters, because it is a public speaking platform. There is a structured speech if you wanted to speak, and wanted to know what is the difference between this Toastmasters, because that I'm already a part of, and this effective communication workshop as well. So I just learned that in the effective communication workshop, which has been almost like 2.5 months now. based on the needs of the human being. Most of the times what we do is we only wanted to talk to the person. We don't, even though we understand, we want to talk to the person. So when we are in a listening mode, so we just listen just because we wanted to talk to the other person. But actually that doesn't work. So we have to understand and we have to connect with the person. So that's how the communication happens. So I did not know all these skills. But when I joined the effective communication workshop, all these skills help me a lot. So when you talk with Vijay, it is not only about the effective communication workshop. He is so much, you know, a concentrated person that he talks about all the various aspects of life, be it relationship, be it communication, be it leadership, everything. So I'm actually getting every glimpse in every aspects of life, so that I just feel that I'm very safe and secure in this platform, and I'm learning all the right things. Whenever I require certain learnings in my life to put across, then PIM is the platform for me. So I get everything here, be it relationship, be it professionally. So here we are talking about hike today. Even I'm trying to change my career, and also upgrade my package. So that is somehow helping me. I'm still not carved my niche. I do not know, but it is helping me somehow, and that belief keeps me going. Yeah, this is what is PM is doing to me. Yeah, thanks, Kiran.
Amazing, amazing, Saundarya. It's very concentrated because people who go through that journey will definitely connect. And the whole idea, in fact, Saundarya was mentioning about Vijay and the coaching and mentoring setup. The idea is that when we go and Google search and learn about few things, it is mostly a hit and trial based on the search we do and whatever information we gather from the YouTube or this thing. But everyone should have a coach of their own. It could be in a particular area you want to grow. It could be communication, it could be relationship, or like every sports person has in a particular area, like batting, bowling, or fielding. So your life also has maybe a career. If you really want to grow in your career, just ask yourself, do you really have a coach in your career? Because it is not about how much do you know, but coach can only help you to get the blind spots to you. If you already have a mentor and a coach in your career through your maybe past professional companies, or maybe through your alumni network, maybe you're very, really grateful, but not everyone has that access to connect the learnings with the real life, and you can apply as per your life's customization. So this is a bridge where PIM and Growth Express comes, where people who are passionate about teaching, people who are passionate about a particular aspect of it, they coach people around where that particular area. As a coach, we can help you to bridge the gap between the reality versus where do you want to go, and the learnings which you have in the plate to apply in your real life. So that is the unique thing which we created it out of our growth platform, and that coaching and mentoring setup is a key here. So that's the whole thing Saundarya was trying to summarize, using the tools we have: effective communication workshop, this career impact report, which is one of the best tool I have seen, where it gives you a whole Google or roadmap where you are in your life, internal core values, external core values, how do you behave in a particular situation, what is the natural tendency to behave. So once you're aware of your own behavior, the decision what you make at a certain point of time becomes more better. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पता नहीं है, हमको सब पता रहता है कि हम कैसे behave करते हैं in a certain point of situations. But when the awareness increases, then the decision making power also increases based on the situation you are in. So CIR is one of the best tools in the market right now. It doesn't come everywhere. In fact, CIR comes from John C. Maxwell's team, and which is kind of a patent, and comes from Second World War. बहुत ही अच्छा story है उसका, and it gives you that clarity of your own personality in inside and outside both. And yeah, the personal coaching mentoring setup is a thing at PIM and the Growth Express. Many things to innovate. So it's not only these 2 to 3 things, but ultimately we want to innovate more and more, such that our life becomes better and we can make the society better, at least around us. The simplest way, by changing and inspiring others. Thank you so much, Saundarya, for sharing that. I think we have Apurva and Puneet. Apurva, if you are there, or Puneet, if you want to share anything, you can also share.
Yeah, hi Kiran.
Yeah, Apurva.
Yeah, just give me a moment. I'll turn on my camera. Yeah. Hi, happy Diwali to all.
Happy Diwali.
Yeah. So just to give you introduction, I'm Apurva and I am a senior engineer in Tata Consultancy Services. I work with self-driving cars and we work with AI, ML and DL, deep learning. So mostly with respect to computer vision. So I had joined this book club, I think in June, like 4 to 5 months now. And I had found this on Meetup and I was trying many like such events on the Meetup, but I think I stuck with this book club for so long. And yeah, I think the best part of this book club is like the learnings and the kind of atmosphere we have and the kind of sharing we do. I think that's the best part. And actually, till now, even there has been like too many goals or something. Ki, okay, I will be reading these many books, but that never happened, which has happened in the last 4 to 5 months. So yeah, I think that is the best part. And the second part is the coaching and mentoring thing. So like even I am on my way to find my niche and passion and such kind of things. So even I'm exploring in different areas, not yet sure, but yeah, definitely will find the right path might be someday. So yeah, that's all about my journey till now. So over to you, Kiran. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Apurva. Now I know so many changes we have been observing in you as well, in the presentation, the creative approach you bring to your talk, and as well as the niche aspect of it. In fact,
Yeah.
maybe पहले से लेकर अभी तक शायद 10% growth we can see. At least little bit of clarity is much more better than no clarity. So,
Yeah.
that is a good part. Where
Yeah.
eventually you'll definitely find what you're looking for.
Yes,
Amazing.
definitely.
Thank you so much.
Instagram
Apurva.
also.
Thank you.
Instagram. Okay.
Yeah, I'm experimenting with that as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Yeah, I think Ash, if you can speak, you can speak. I don't know. I couldn't hear you if you were speaking a couple of minutes before. Or Puneet, if you are there, you want to speak something, you can speak. Or else we'll also quickly take a photo of everyone. We're almost to the end as well. I think if you're hearing me, guys, just switch on the camera. We'll quickly take the photo so that at least we'll capture while you all of us are here together. Awesome. Shrikant, Soumya, Shrikant is there. Soumya and Ash, if you are hearing, to switch on the camera. Awesome. Great. Karthik, are we ready?
Carry lamps.
Oh, yeah, I can carry, but it's.
It's
Diya,
They
carry
all
the-
have it, Andy.
lamps.
Diya.
Diya hai kisi ke paas?
Get
If
one.
you have, you can bring.
बुझ गया actually.
हाँ, बुझ गया.
It's 10 o'clock.